Number 26, it says a circle graph shows how Tremaine divided his time on the computer last week. He got 20% with homework, 25% games. That makes sense. 5% research, 10% other, and 40% social media. Tremaine uses a computer a total of 30 hours. So again, that's my total. That's going to be helpful because if I'm making a proportion, it's going to be on the bottom. How many more? That's important too. How many more? That means I'm going to be doing some kind of subtraction, either before or after I do some solving. How many more hours did Tremaine use the computer to play games than to do research? So we're comparing these two and we want to know how many more. So before I figure out my proportion, I'm actually going to subtract these two. Playing games is 25%. And doing research is 5%. So when I subtract that, I get 20%. But they don't want to know how much is the percent. They want to know how many hours. So this is when I make my proportion. Anytime I'm setting up a percent proportion, remember the percent over 100 is one of my ratios. And then it tells me the total is 30 hours, so that's going to be on the bottom. We don't know how many hours it is, but we do know that we're looking for the 20%, so that guy goes right there. Looking for shortcuts, kind of always want to do that. Oh, this works. Remember that your arrow points towards your x. 100 divided by what makes 20? That's going to be divided by 5. So over here I'm doing the same thing. 30 divided by 5. Oh good, that makes 6, so 6 hours is my answer.